What's up, crew? Welcome to another video. My name is John Connie, aka Big Man Syndrome, and this is vlog number 3. Trying to do a daily vlog, switch it up for myself to see if I can maintain sort of a schedule for the creative juices. I feel like I've gotten stuck a little bit overthinking the different projects, and then when I do come up with a plan and I shoot something like trying to do extended studs on the Evo, which I haven't uploaded that video, trying to make a plan for that, even though I just said I don't want to plan too much. I make this big grand plan and then I try to do the install and a bunch of things get in the way. So kind of makes it harder for me to make a video the way that I want to. So rather than do it that way, just kind of take it as it goes and edit whatever happens. Like yesterday I went to go install the head unit to the Tundra and I couldn't find my keys. That shouldn't have stopped me from doing the project, but really if I install it, I don't have a way to test it. I can't turn it on. So until I find my keys, which I still have not, I've looked literally everywhere. Until I find the keys, can't really do that. I've got a bunch of different options, which I kind of just went through really quickly in a hopefully a fun way. But I think what I'm gonna do, at least a little bit and enough, is finish off some of the wiring in the Evo. After I did the head unit, I did kind of a sloppy job with the remote wire to the amp, as well as the RCA. Haven't done the reverse camera yet at all, so I can at least get it to the trunk, start to plan out where I'm gonna install it. What else? There's an amp level knob, which would allow me to reduce the sub boom, which I currently can't do in the Evo. So if I'm at level 10, the bass is kind of bigger than the rest of the audio. But if I go to 15, it's a little bit more even. So I like that adjustability in the cabin. So I need to run that. And I think there's one more thing that needs to be run, but I'll figure it out once I get there. We'll dive into that a little bit and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so quick reminder, because I keep forgetting, this is vlog 3 and I haven't said anything about the giveaway. We're doing a getting to 1,000 subscribers giveaway. So as soon as we hit that number, 1,000, we're gonna be giving away a $100 value wrench set from Harbor Freight. All you gotta do is be a subscriber. There's no purchase necessary. We don't even have that set up yet. But this is in an effort to create something cool for this channel, and that's gonna be a reoccurring giveaway on whatever schedule we decide to do up until we're a little bit more official. So right now it's per subscribers. The goal for now, 1,000. The next goal will probably be either 2,000 or 5,000, and it'll be an even bigger tool set. So just a little bit more explanation or what I mean by that. The end goal is to do something like a full Prjct.Garage giveaway where it's like 10,000 in value. You get the Husky cabinets, the butcher block bench sets, the tool cabinet full of tools, whatever gets to 10 grand or whatever that number ends up being. So by subscribing today and getting us closer to that 1,000 mark, you're getting us even closer to the dream goal of Prjct.Garage, which is to outfit people's garage with the tools that they need to get into project cars. To me, that sometimes is the barrier to entry. Do I have the right tools to get this job done? And if you got the tools, you could probably at least try. And there's a couple other ways that you can enter. We're still tracking that. If you got a sticker from us at Formula Drift, you can post a picture of that on Instagram and tag at Prjct.Garage. For the time being, you can put it on TikTok, but that's gonna be going away most likely. The other way to enter is to leave a comment on the giveaway video, which I'll leave a card up above in the right corner. And yeah, thanks for subscribing. Bring your friends along, let them know that there's a giveaway on the channel. Back to the video. Those are about 10,000 times worse than I thought they were. Maybe not 10,000 times. Hopefully whoever wants to buy these rims doesn't watch my videos, but I've never really looked in the actual barrel itself or on the backside, and I always knew the front, the lip, because of how exposed it is from having stretched tires on it, it was super rashed up and beaten up. But I had no idea that there was so much scuffing on the inside of the barrel and on the backside lip. So I'm like wondering if it was way too close on the inside of the wheel well, get scuffed up like that. But so that's where those are. Let's dive into this Evo. running out of card space, so we might have to change a little bit of the quality. I was recording in 8K before, now we're in 4K. Alright, so for most cars, when you're trying to get from the front end of the car to the back end, or the trunk, typically you go through these little channels. So I'm going to pop these off, and then I'm going to work on sending the wires that I need to from the front to the back. And then similarly, I got to pay attention to the subwoofer one, because it kind of runs the opposite way of the way I'm going with the other leads. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I found where the boost gauge hooks up. This little thing. It's supposed to be bolted onto something, and it's not. That's cool. That's great. Well. So here's my sub knob. The sub knob is probably the most ineffective way to do it. Oh, and this is kind of double-sided with the same little guy. It's a perfect little channel here. We're just to make sure it has a lot of slack. Freedom to put it in many different places. Grab some zip ties. This little channel. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Look at this. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight, love tonight, love tonight. I like it. Really just tucks right into this panel without having to take it off. But take this off. Somehow this seat is not super secure, so that's kind of good, kind of bad. Open that truck. So this is ugly done. This is one of the reasons why I kind of want to do a lighter sub box, because I could probably find a sleeker way to secure it. This is hilarious. There's a little bit of trash in here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the tires easily. I just pulled that through. Oh, there's an idea. Qué rico. Yeah. Sometimes I'm smart. Sometimes I'm super smart. Sometimes I'm a super idiot. Like when I caught my evil on fire. I guess I could jack power from the amp. Is this what came with it? Oh, look at me. I kept this. There we go. Right, so there's no fused. This must be from something else that I have. I think that might be from a battery tender. Reverse light cable. Interesting. So I have to find the reverse light cable. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. So ran the wires from the front to back. You can tell it's late. Kind of ran into another one of those deals where I went up the street to give a neighbor his tools back, and when I got there, my oldest daughter started following me up the street, and we ended up just hanging out up there and chatting with friends. I decided to hop in here while we wait for food to get delivered to at least get the wires run the way I wanted to, and then tomorrow I'll work on getting this installed, because I do need to spend a little bit of time to figure out where I'm going to do it. And I kind of feel like because of the proximity to the reverse light that's in the middle of the back window, I could potentially finagle it there. I just need to test whether or not you can see through that back tinted window effectively enough for me to mount it there, because then from the outside you don't see the camera. On the inside, if I can do it well enough, you might not be able to see it there either. So it might be a cool spot. And then as you saw, the back is it's not pretty. I'd like to pretty that up and get a 10-inch L7T, which is the shallow mount kicker. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You're awesome. And if you're new, consider joining the crew. Trying to hit daily for at least 2 weeks and then beyond, see what happens. And if you're not new, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share this video. Those are the things that grow the crew. And until the next one, I'll see you later, crew. And go spend some money on that money pit.
I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. They getting nervous, I seen it.
Ow.